want to know it's okay. Victim's name was Eddie Ross with an IBM with demo records. I started to check. I didn't see no records. The kid always took care of the roof.
He was dead before the fire started.
Figured there was a struggle for a torch to place, to cover up any evidence he left behind. The neighbor, you said he was very upset. Yeah. And she smelled gas fuel. I didn't think natural gas. Her using in Ross's boat at gas stoves, she thought maybe the pilot went out and he didn't check. She must have smelled the gasoline and stuff, but it didn't smell the same. Fire was still in prints on the murder weapon. She could still see the brand etched on the blade. Some archaeologists trial don't know yet whether it belonged to the victim or the killer, but looking at some suppliers trying to identify the person's body.
Pretty sure it wasn't the victim. Most of the wear is on the right edge of the blade, which means it was used by a left hand. It must be sure the victim's right arm is more than far.
Which means he was probably right.
So the owner of the murder weapon is a left-handed archaeologist. Anyone else can be guaranteed.
I'm sorry, I can't believe Eddie's dead.
According to his Facebook page, there were a couple where until last night.
You don't think that I...
Honestly, it's too soon for us to think anything. It's just getting away.
We were together almost 2 years.
How did you meet?
Grad school. We both studied archaeology. I was lucky I got a great job, but Eddie, he was still struggling. And it just came between us. We stayed friends. I still cared about him.
So can you account for the whereabouts last night?
I was giving a seminar on Arabian antiquities down at Penn. I had breakfast with Dr. Sharbath, the department head, before I came home this morning.
We'll need his number before we go. Archaeologists are very protective. Can you tell us how yours came to be in your records possession?
About a week and a half ago, Eddie came to me and asked to borrow some of our equipment. I gave him whatever he wanted.
Did you say what it was used?
I did. He wouldn't tell me what he was trying to excavate, but he was excited. Said he was on to something good.
It was a great struggle before that. I'm asking because in case you may have had some competition.
I'm sorry. He didn't say.
What kind of equipment did you own?
Skates and buckets, pickaxe, shovels, my truck.
Your truck.
He didn't have a car. He needed something to carry all the gear, plus whatever it was he was digging for.
Any idea what the truck is now?
I think he just parked it on the street near his place.
So Eddie Ross's background check was a bust. No criminal record, no enemies for friends, no and no unusual death. And his ex-girlfriend, alibi checked out. She was in Philadelphia all last night.
I just remember how we get the trucks over by the air.
This was what was in the trunk.
First 2 buckets of 12, the rest of the evidence room.
Well, I don't get it. Eddie's big find was garbage.
It's really garbology. Study of rubbish. Archaeologists have worked to learn more about different cultures, the idea being that we are what we throw away, as were the ancient Romans or First American settlers.
So Eddie's big find was dumb.
More likely a landfill. Most of the stuff here is from the late 30s, early 80s. From our conversation with his ex, I actually studied culture, more likely ruins, from the stones, refuse, in order to zero in on his prize.
Well, if it was prize, why would someone throw it away?
It's trash, it's treasure. But with vintage glass bottles, cameras, trading cards, you turn a tidy profit.
Vintage rainbow suspenders. There's million stuff like this. I need to get to my parents' basement fast.
Looking at the buckets will yield more insight.
Oh, hey, Alfredo came by the brownstone yesterday.
Oh?
Yeah, he said you hadn't been seeing books all week.
No, he's correct, I have not.
Just wanted to make sure you're doing okay.
Don't worry, I haven't been doing this. Body for that rest is has been very different months. So I purchased the Kingston Avenue Jewish Center.
Even though St. Luke's is right up the street.
Since my relapse, I've had to start my program anew. My days so